Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's taking the world by storm, generative AI and its incredible advantages. I'm your host, and in the next few minutes, we'll explore the mind-blowing potential of this cutting-edge technology. So, let's jump right in. Have you ever marveled at the creativity of AI-generated art, music, or even stories? Well, that's all thanks to generative AI. This revolutionary technology has the power to create and innovate, pushing the boundaries of human imagination like never before. Before we delve into its advantages, let's quickly understand what generative AI is. Unlike traditional AI that is programmed for specific tasks, generative AI is designed to learn and create on its own. It uses vast datasets and complex algorithms to mimic human-like behavior, giving rise to astonishingly creative and original content. The first and most mind-blowing advantage of generative AI is its limitless creativity. Whether it's composing symphonies, producing stunning artwork, or even crafting entire stories, AI can do it all. It opens up a world of possibilities, blurring the line between human and machine creativity. Another incredible advantage is personalized experiences at scale. Generative AI can analyze user data and preferences to offer tailored product recommendations, content, and services. This not only enhances customer satisfaction but also boosts engagement and loyalty. Generative AI is transforming the healthcare industry by revolutionizing drug discovery. It can analyze vast amounts of medical data to predict the effectiveness of potential drugs, dramatically speeding up the research process and ultimately saving lives. One more remarkable advantage of generative AI is its ability to bridge language barriers. With real-time language translation and AI-powered chatbots, communication between different languages and cultures has never been easier. Generative AI is not just confined to labs and experiments, it's already being used in various industries. From entertainment and marketing to healthcare and finance, this technology is revolutionizing the way we live and work. And there you have it, the fascinating world of generative AI and its incredible advantages. We've only scratched the surface of what this technology can do, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. If you found this video as captivating as we did, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more mind-expanding content. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the wonders of technology. The script provides a concise and captivating overview of the advantages of generative AI, highlighting its creativity, personalization, impact on healthcare, and language processing. It also emphasizes real-world applications and the need for responsible AI usage. The script aims to keep the audience engaged and interested throughout the video.